In order to use the school's online textbook for geography in grade 6, you're going to go to a browser and then you're going to type this address, my.hrw.com, and hit enter. This will take you to the Holt-McDougall website. And if you're in 6th grade, you're going to type 6 Cyprus. It won't work. 6 Cyprus. And the password is also 6 Cyprus. And then you're going to log in. Now you'll find our world geography book. And then you'll click Go to Online Textbook. From here, there are several options that you can use. First, you could use the Select a Unit or Chapter. The units, Unit 1 is Introduction to Geography. Unit 2 is the Americas. Unit 3 is Europe and Russia. Unit 4 is Southwest and Central Asia. Unit 5 is Africa. And then Unit 6 is South and East Asia and the Pacific. So if I were studying Cyprus, for our book, I would need to go to Unit 4, Southwest and Central Asia. And you can see here that it includes the Eastern Mediterranean. So I could click on Southwest and Central Asia, and then I'm going to see either I can go to the unit opener, the regional atlas, and facts about the countries. If I go to the regional atlas, I'm going to see a map and maps of that region. There will always be a physical map to start with, and the physical map will include, and there's Cyprus, so I can make sure that that's this unit. It includes mountain ranges, rivers, bodies of water, and elevation. Okay, and we go to the next page is the other part of the physical map. There's always going to be information on the longest river, which in this case is the Euphrates River, the highest point, the lowest point, high temperature, the driest place, largest country, smallest country, so Cyprus is not the smallest, the saltiest lake, most powerful earthquake. Each unit will have some different information. And our book will always compare that region to the United States because the book was written in the United States. The next page is going to be a political map. And on the political map, we have all the countries, and we can see the boundaries a little bit better. The countries are listed in capital letters, and the capitals are then in regular print. Other big cities are also noted, like Mecca and Medina in Saudi Arabia, but the capital is Riyadh. We could also look at the facts about countries. And we have to hit go. In the facts about countries for each unit, you're going to have all the countries from that region listed, and they'll have information, including population, area, the per capita GDP, which is the gross domestic product, life expectancy at birth, and then TVs per 1,000 people. And it'll always compare that information to the United States. Another way to use the book is to put in book pages. So if you know that something is on a particular page, you could type that in. So let's say I knew that something was on page 155. This is about Canada, Vancouver's Chinatown, and here we have page 155. Another helpful piece are the references. In the references, for example, we can find the atlas, the index, the glossary, the dictionary, and we're going to visit the index. So if we were interested in researching the country Chile, we're going to look for it under C. If we're looking for a chart, we're going to find a C. A map, we're going to find an M. F, we're going to, for feature, an F, and P is a photo. Okay? So I'm going to look for Chile. Nope. Not yet. I think it might be here. There it is. Okay, so here's Chile. There's a chart on page 112. We'll just see something about agriculture on 268, climate and vegetation. And that's what I'm interested in, climate and vegetation. So that's 256. So this is opened into a new tab. So I'm going to go to the other tab and I'm going to type in 256. Book pages here. And it's page 256, and I'm going to click Go. And this tells me about climate zones in the Andes and the climate and vegetation included in Chile. And if I go on to page 257, there's more information also about the deserts. And this is a desert that is in the Andes, which is in Chile. So that's how you use the online textbook. I hope that helps.